Hey guys, today we're at Aliso on a very sunny day. They're digging the creek right there. What? Let's see. Oh yeah, so they're building the creek right now. It's not ready yet. I actually just saw stuff when I was coming down the hill, but it's over. But another one should be coming right soon. It's a nice beach day. It should be going. Let's see, is it going? Oh, it should be going soon. I think it should be flowing soon. For what? Let's see what they're doing. Oh, they just need to open that spot up.
You don't want to get too close to the... Stay back. You can record all you want. Just stay back, please. Thank you.
But I think Mom's at the playground, okay? So if we need her, go to the playground because she's there. Because she's always there with baby. Oh, they're opening it up. They're opening it. Oh, is this set coming now?
Is it pretty shiny?
No. Yeah, I like it over there, but I can't. It sounds rough. Oh my gosh, over there looks pretty big. Oh my gosh.
Oh, this one's big. This one's big.
Oh my gosh, over there's like crazy. Just a set.
I want to crazy.
Ah, back up, Leslie, back up. Yes, you do. You have to back up. Set's still going. Still going. Set's still going. Oh my gosh, this over there is crazy. Oh my gosh, they're huge. The set is still going? What the heck? Okay, this is just the day where the waves are big. I guess. Not even the summertime. Set is still going. Okay. Man, this is set. Okay, I think it's over. Holy moly, that was like a long set. It's sort of still going. Okay, I think it's over. Okay, over there is pretty big. Here's seriously another set. I mean, what is it? Wait, the creek's open, the creek's open. I think the creek is open. Guys, watch out, it's kind of dangerous. What's it? There are trucks. Guys, get out of the way. You must. Oh, I could see that wave like all the way over there. That one right there. That's pretty good. Is there another set? Oh my gosh. Okay, another set. There's another set. Oh my gosh. Mom! Look at these waves! Mom, look at these waves! They're like huge! Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Mom, look at these waves! Oh my gosh. Look at these waves, Mom!
Watch out. He's right.
I know.
Gotta watch out.
I know. Oh my gosh. These are like monster waves. Oh, these are huge. Okay, now I'm gonna have to back up. Cause okay, this is a huge set.
Alright, watch out. Back now. Don't go back there. Watch out. What?
Mom, do you think these waves are huge? I mean, these are like, I don't know, 7 feet. 7 feet? I don't know. They're definitely taller than Dad. No, the set's over. I don't like the sand. I want the creek's going now. I mean, I can see that they're still working on it, but I wonder if it's gonna go soon. And Mom, how much minutes do we got? 10? I think another set's coming. Yep, another set. Oh yeah, definitely. Whoa. Okay, more big waves. Oh my gosh. I wasn't even expecting them to be this big. What's that? Seriously, I've never seen waves this big at Aliso. Like, actually, not. Yeah, that's what it looks like. They're opening it up. Wait, I think it's open. I think it's oh yeah, it's running. Guys, it's open. No, it's okay. No, he said just stand back. That's all. We could be over there. He just said stand back from the creek. That's all. Yeah, go. Well,
Hey guys, don't go too close because it's going to start getting faster and faster and faster and faster and it's going to start expanding soon. So all this sand is going to get swept in. Yeah, so hey you guys. Oh yeah, just so you, yeah, so it's just going to slow down, start getting deeper, and you'll see it mostly like, it might even be up here. We're just trying, I know it's stuff.
I know. Hey, so this
Yeah.
is the danger zone, is what he's saying. You guys
Okay.
can't be over here. You gotta get it to the straight. You just gotta go.
okay.
Now, look, they're working. See, they're working. So you guys gotta just leave them alone. Let them work.
Okay. Well, I didn't look at the waves. I guess today's just gonna look at the waves then. We can't do the creek. Next time we'll do it. I mean, yeah, I do understand the creek is kind of dangerous. Wait, we have to go? Do we have to go? I
It's
am.
not a good spot to be because look, they're working. I don't think they want you over here. I think today's not a good day to do this because they're working.
Okay.
I
I'll
know
be
you're
over here.
recording, but you need to be out of their way, okay?
Okay, I was out of the way though.
I'm gonna go up there to the playground to see.
Yeah, I know that. Okay, just come down here and tell me when we have to. Guys, so we only have like 5 minutes. So I think this is gonna be like a 20-minute video. So, yeah. Or they're not. So it isn't really big anymore. Unless I think a set's coming right now. So maybe I'll take that back. I take it back. Yeah, there is a set. Look at this here. I just want to take a peek at the creek. Like just a peek. I'm gonna try to. Wait, catch me. Okay, there's a set again. I'll try to take a peek at. I'll try to let you guys look at the creek like when the video is like gonna be over, but I don't know if they'll let me do it. Is the problem. I'll try my best. But that sure was a big wave there. Whoa, these are big. Whoa. These are just crazy. I've never seen waves this big at Aliso. Actually, not in my life. Like, these are monsters. Monsters. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna call these. Monster. think I'll be able to do it today. Look at the creek today, but I'll try. I'll try my best. The lifeguard is right there though, so I don't think I could do it. So then I guess we'll just look at these big waves. Big, big, big. So this one's huge. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, this one is gonna be like the monster. This one's the king. Whoa! Whoa! Holy moly! Oh my gosh! Okay, I'm gonna back up like totally. Oh, whoa, that one's huge too. Whoa. Whoa, holy moly. Guys, so this is my chance. I guess the lifeguard is gone. I'm gonna have to be quick though, so I might get in trouble. Woo! Yeah, I'll try. Yeah. Oh, Sadie's bleeding? Sadie's bleeding? Oh, why is she bleeding? Why is she bleeding?
Because she dug with her hand and she scratched it.
Oh, poor Sadie. Oh, guys, the creek isn't that exciting. Well, goodbye, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. So, we're gonna be done. Bye-bye. Okay, now I'm just gonna have to run back. Because, let's see, look at these sets. Let's see. Look at this one, like this one. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Holy moly. Yeah, we're gonna have to go, guys.
Say
Oh my gosh. Well, it doesn't matter. Well, Wesley, we don't even know what that means, so just please like the video. That's all we need. We don't need you to subscribe. We're fine. But please do like it. Bye, guys.